Virgin Trains East Coast service off to London King's Cross. And passing through, we've got another Virgin Trains East Coast service. Not sure where that's to. I think we're probably going to get blocked by this. Got a nice two-tone from driver. Now passing through is a Class 91 Virgin Trains East Coast service. There's also another Class 91. Now passing through is a Virgin Trains East Coast Class 91. Off to London King's Cross. Now arriving in is a Virgin Trains East Coast service to Newark Northgate, Class 91. Also passing through now is a Virgin Trains East Coast HST. Here it comes. East Coast service, heading somewhere up north, I don't really know.